Watchfaces. Watchfaces allows us to change the style, the mood of our Apple Watch. Which, by the way, if you guys want to go ahead and just take your customization level of your Apple Watch to the next level, make sure to check out Watch. I mean, you guys saw it at the beginning of the video. How the heck did I get a Volt digital crown and side button to match my Apple Watch band? As I said, Watchfaces will allow you to do that. Watchfaces allows you to change the color of your digital crown and side button in over 15 colors. If you guys want a yellow digital crown or a red digital crown to have the Apple Watch Series 3 look, of course you can do that with Watchfaces. Anyways, links will be down below for Watchfaces. But anyways, we're here to talk about Watchfaces. Third-party Watchfaces. It's really rumored to happen. There's kind of some evidence for it. So without further ado, let's check it out.
Tell me, baby, what have I done?
So anyways, what do I mean by evidence? Well, in watchOS 4.3.1, there was some code that referenced third-party Watchfaces. Now, let me read this for a second. It's from 9to5Mac. If you guys want me to link the article, it will be linked down below. So anyways, let's go ahead and read it. I promise you it won't be too long. Code found on watchOS 4.3.1 suggests this could change in the future. A component of the Nano TimeKit framework responsible for the Watchfaces implements a developer's tool server that's probably designed to communicate with Xcode running on a Mac. One of its methods has a very interesting log message. This is where the third-party face configuration bundle generation would happen. It's clear from the wording of the message that this feature is not implemented at the moment, but it's definitely something Apple has planned. This new capability could come as soon as watchOS 5 or be dropped altogether. I personally hope they go forward with it, since it'd be pretty cool to be able to install new Watchfaces on my Apple Watch. And then on the 9to5Mac article, they put as a reference the actual code. And as you guys can see right here, it says this is where the third-party face configuration bundle would happen. Now guys, I mean, this is huge news. Third-party Watchfaces, I mean, I think it's more than confirmed that they are coming. We don't know really when they're coming, but all we know is that it's coming. And a lot of rumors, as 9to5Mac said, is that it would probably come in watchOS 5, and in my opinion, my speculation is that it's coming in watchOS 5. But I don't want to really give you guys a lot of hype, and then whenever watchOS 5 happens, it actually doesn't happen. But that's just what I think. watchOS 5 seems a good time to drop third-party Watchfaces. Now, Apple, if you're watching this, be careful with this. I don't want everybody to install. I don't want all the developers bringing third-party Watchfaces. I want Apple to select certain Watchfaces, like certain third-party developers. I don't want everybody creating them, because then it's just gonna be messy. I want Apple to select maybe 200 developers, which is a lot, for Apple to bring us third-party Watchfaces. I'd be really interested to see what Disney does with Star Wars Watchfaces. I mean, it's limitless, and it'd also be cool for like soccer teams to do this, basketball teams, Barcelona, Los Angeles Lakers, Miami Heat's Watchfaces. The options are endless if Apple actually releases third-party Watchfaces, and it brings so much customization to the Apple Watch, which would be insane, and I am so freaking excited. So yeah guys, let me know in the comments, are you guys excited for third-party Watchfaces? And if you guys are, let me know in the comments, what Watchfaces would you guys be expecting? Films, soccer teams, different brands, maybe Louis Vuitton. Let me know in the comments. As I said, the options are so endless. Now, some of you guys have been asking me, Nikias, where the heck is your iPhone Red unboxing? Well, I ordered it literally the first day that it was available. I ordered it, but of course, I'm in Spain. Things get longer. Today, the actual delivery was out, but I wasn't home, so I couldn't actually get it. Tomorrow, iPhone 8 Plus unboxing, Red Edition, tomorrow coming to the channel, so make sure to tune for that. So anyways guys, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Guys, you should really subscribe if you're not subscribed. Join the Apple Watch Bro family. We're a pretty lit family. I mean, we upload about Apple Watch, iPhone, anything you can think of surrounding the world of Apple. So anyways, as I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.